We are exactly at the spot, in fact, where the first of the twin blasts here in Hyderabad took place. That's, in fact, the spot where the twin blast took place, and the lights that you're seeing behind is of the investigating authority that is trying to examine the nature of the debris that's been left in this particular location. The police, of course, wants us to move away from the spot so that there is no damage to the evidence of the bomb blast that happened. This is the region where a huge number of casualties, in fact, took place. As you can see around, this is a bus stop very near a theatre, and huge numbers of people, in fact, were standing here. Eyewitnesses told us that at around 6:58 they heard the first blast here, and he says within a minute or so the second blast was also heard. And when he came here, he saw, in fact, a pile of people lying here, bodies as well as injured people, people who were unable to move from the spot. Huge numbers of people are still gathered. The police are trying to ensure that evidence is not gathered till such time as the expert teams which are working, in fact, behind these police. As you can see, if we can ask Nagraj to pan and show those teams who are examining the debris of the explosives that have been left behind, to see the nature of the explosives, what caused such a huge and what caused such a powerful blast in this place, that the police has now confirmed that at least 10 of those people who have died have already been identified. 23 others are reported to be in the hospital. Even now we can see the remains of what happened here at that point in time. Those are, in fact, blood-soaked clothes, and you can see that this is an accident site, and we would imagine that we should not, in fact, be at this site of the accident site because of the evidence, crucial evidence that needs to be collected by the police. The police trying to move us away from this spot. Huge numbers of people who have gathered in this area.